Morning. Oh, look at the van, needs a clean. Alan from On Point Exterior cleaning. Yep, the nose is still bandaged, well, plastered. Getting better though. Today, I came here about 3 or 4 weeks ago. It was the video, if you've watched before, of the garden with the really bad black spot on the Indian sandstone. It was a great one. And I said to the owner that I would do the front drive. So it's been about 3 or 4 weeks, nice weather. And oh my God, I think I'm going to need a scythe, or I should have brought like edge trimmers or something like that here with me. You wait till you see this. I'll turn it round. I need a strimmer. The old turbo nozzle's going to do a lot of weeding today. So let me turn it around. Let me show you what it is. Coffee of the day, staying blank. You've got to try and guess. Right, let's show you. Get a load of this one. Oh my God, look. It's only small, but it's going to take just as long as a big drive. Look at our ants' nests. They're going to wonder what the hell's happening in a minute when a ton of water comes down. Gallons of water comes down their houses. So that's where the car is. That's the natural colour. Yeah, and a little bit, that's where he keeps his bins. But yeah, today I thought I'd turn up and this was going to be a bit easy, but now it's just turned into a bit of a mare. So let's see how it goes. I'll pull some of these up as well before I start. I'd have asked him to use weed killer before I turned up if I knew it was this bad. Right, see you at the end. Sanded, all done. Yeah, it did look like a garden. It's that hot today. I was able to get the sanding in as well. I've been away, come back 4 hours later, but it's all done, all sanded. That garden is now sort of, looks like the Garden of Eden. It's all clean. So any comments, leave them below. Anything you want me to change, any style you want me to change, if you want me to leave the brushing in. I didn't film the brushing on this one, but I have done on the one before, so hopefully this one's up before that one. See you soon. Subscribe if you're still here. I very much doubt if you're still here. People are normally gone by now.